With our algebra exponents, there's a couple of extra things we need to consider. For instance, we could have an algebraic expression, something like 2x squared, which itself is raised to another power, another exponent. So, for instance, 2x squared cubed. Now let's think about, say, the number 4 cubed. That's 4 times 4 times 4. So 2x squared cubed would be 2x squared times 2x squared times 2x squared. Now in mathematics, when we're multiplying, we can rearrange the order and we'll still get the same result. It's called the commutative property for multiplication. So I can write this instead of as 2x squared times 2x squared times 2x squared, I could write that as 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by x squared by x squared by x squared. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, x squared times x squared times x squared, if you've looked at the earlier video, that'll be x to the 6. And what you'll notice is, this is 2 cubed times x squared cubed. X squared cubed is x to the 6. The other example we can have is we could have the square root of an expression. For instance, the square root of 16 x to the 6. The square root of 16x to the 6, we really need to be thinking of what if I start with something and square it, can I get 16x to the 6? So let's think about the square root of 64, that's 8. Yeah? Why? Well, 8 squared equals 64, that's why. So the square root of 16x to the 6, I'm thinking, what can I multiply by itself to get 16x to the 6? 4x cubed, if I square that, using this idea up here, I'll get 16x to the 6. 4x cubed times 4x cubed, which is 4x cubed squared, equals 16x to the 6. So the square root of 16x to the 6 is 4x cubed. Okay. What you'll notice is that 4x cubed is the square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of x to the 6. So you can just square root this number here and then square root this. And remember, when we're square rooting something to a power, we're effectively halving that power. Same as when we're taking x squared to the power 3, it becomes x to the power of 2 times 3, x to the 6. So there are two special cases with algebra exponents that we need to be able to work with.